Hello everyone. So you applied for a job and now they want to interview you. Feeling nervous? Don't worry. Interviews aren't scary if you know that what they really are and how to prepare for that. So let me walk you through it step by step. The step 1 to how to crack an interview is to understand the purpose. First of all, you must understand that what is the real purpose behind an interview. So interviews are not a test. It's a conversation where the company wants to know that who you really are. They want to know you in person. They want to know, can you do the job or will you fit in with their team members? They just want to know that are you serious for the job and are you reliable? Can you be trusted for the job responsibilities? So think of it like this. Suppose you are hiring someone to take care of your dog, right? So what is the first step that you will take? Before hiring, you would want to meet him in person. You would want to know that who this person really is. You would want someone who is friendly, reliable, and who actually loves dogs, right? Similarly, the purpose behind an interview is to know you. Right? The company wants to know you in person. That before hiring, before taking you in, they want to see you, they want to know you, they want to hear you. So prepare yourself keeping that in mind. Now the second step is to prepare yourself. Do not just walk in blind. After knowing about the first step, do not just think that you have to just walk in and do nothing about the interview, right? No, you have to prepare a little. Before going to that interview, learn about the company. What do they do? What is the job role about? What are they expecting from this person? You can even Google the company and give their website a 10-minute reading. So when you go for the interview, you will use those terms that are written in their website that are written by themselves about them, right? And when you use them, they will have a sense of you as if you know them. You are interested. You are showing efforts. Also practice a few common questions that are being asked to almost everyone, such as tell me about yourself. So here you talk about your education, your skills, and your hobbies, right? Some personal stuff. Another most common question is, why do you want this job? Here you need to show some interest. Tell them about how you like the work they do and how you want to grow with them. The another most common question is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Now what to say? Be honest about it. But while talking about your weaknesses, you need to be smart. You have to present your weakness in such a manner that you are working on that weakness, right? So your weakness is right now your weakness, but in future, it may not be your weakness, right? Because you're working on it. For example, say it like, I used to struggle with time management, but now I use a planner and it really helps. So in this way, you talked about your weakness, but you also showed that you're working on it, right? So basically, you are not afraid of your weaknesses. Your weaknesses will not draw you downwards.